Okay, that's good enough for a product page. Now I will also show you how to edit the collection pages. So, I will click here and then go to the default collection page. From the top left, you'll be able to change the collection. I will go to the shirts collections for now. Personally, I prefer to have a simple and basic collection page, but you can use the video section and multi-column section if you want to customize it even further. I also recommend that you go through the collection pages of your competitors to have an idea for this page. Alright, now let's move on to our next page. Next up, we have the cart page. This is another important page that you need to look after. You can see this featured collection section here. That's because whenever someone clicks on this little bag icon, they'll be taken to this cart page. So, you can use your best-selling product collection here, which can help you get some extra sales. I will name this section as bestseller, but for now, I will add my shirts collection here, as my bestsellers collection is completely empty. And with this step, our cart page design is also complete. Now I will click on this Save button to save all the changes, and then I will go back to the home page. The designing part of our store is almost complete now. The only thing that are left here are the store header and the footer. We can add some of our best collections on this header menu. And then we also need to add our policy pages in the footer menu. So I will exit this store editor by clicking on this exit button. Now we are back at the Shopify dashboard. Here, click on Settings on the bottom left, and then go to Policies. Here, you'll see different policies, such as the return policy, privacy policy, and much more. We need to add our policies here. Now, a good thing about Shopify is that it provides us with some pre-made templates for these policies. You only need to click on this Insert button, and the template will be added here. This will make your work much easier, as you only need to make a little bit of changes in this template and then publish it. And you can repeat the same process for creating your privacy policy and terms and conditions. Next, we have the shipping policy. Shopify doesn't have any templates for this shipping policy, but you can use an AI tool like ChatGPT to create your shipping policy page. For shipping policy, make sure to clarify the delivery time in the first paragraph itself, and make sure to add your contact information in this section. This is very important, so make sure you don't miss any of these policies. Lastly, you need to click on this Manage button here. Next, select a return window here, and then click on this Turn On button. Now, click on this Save button to save your changes, and then go back and close this Settings tab. Alright, now go to Navigation option on the left menu. Here, you need to design your header and footer menu. To edit the header, click on this Main menu option. Next, I will delete this Catalog option from this menu. Next, I will click on this Add Menu Item option, and then I will add one of my product collections here. I will also drag it to the second position. I will repeat the same process, but this time I will add my shirt collections. Next, I will add a blog page in this menu, which will contain all the blog posts that I will publish in the future. And then I will hit the Save button. And now it's time to edit the footer menu as well. First, I will delete this search option from this menu, and then just like I added different collections in the header menu, I will add all the policy pages in the footer menu. Once it's done, I will save all these changes by clicking on this Save button. Next, I will go to Online Store and click on this Customize button. This will take us to the Shopify editor. Here you can see that the main menu is updated successfully. And now, if you scroll down, you'll see that the footer menu is also updated. And as you can see, the policy pages are appearing here 2 times. So I can simply select this footer menu and then click on this trash icon to delete it. Alright, now click on this footer option on the left, and you'll find a lot of options here. For example, you can enable this email sign-up option, which will add this email section on the footer. Next, I will change this subscribe text. For example, I can add something like, "Enter your email and get 10% off on your order." This is a great way to get some potential customers. So make sure to try this on your store. Okay, now I will save all these changes. And with this step, our store design is finally complete. Alright.